So,
Sadhguruji, allow me to come in and ask you. You've been in the state for many decades. Why raise the issue now? You say, and you're saying this upfront that this is because elections are around the corner. What about some people who always look at these issues through a political prism and will say that Sadhguruji is supporting one side of the spectrum simply because the AIADMK late leader Jayalalitha and now the BJP are on one side, and the DMK, which is an atheist party, is on the other side, and therefore you're putting pressure on the atheist party, the DMK. How would you respond to that criticism?
see, whether you are a theist or an atheist is your personal choice, all right? I am also not a daily temple-going person. But temple is not only about a certain religion. Temple is about art, temple is about history, temple is about culture. It is the soul of this community in many ways. But we have been noticing, we have been taking action about this, our volunteers have been trying to maintain many temples. But in 2020, the government presented, in the Madras High Court that the statistics that I am saying that, 11,999 temples, no puja happening because there is no revenue, 34,000 temples, there's only one person, and 37,000 temples, less than 10,000 revenue. So all these, they're saying these 12,000 temples will die in the next few years, that's what they're saying, all right, literally. So they have committed in the High Court. So it is not that these facts are made up by somebody, this is not a social media, like sensationalism. This is a reality that we are facing. I am telling you, if we go like this, in another 100 years, except a few major temples, all of them will be extinct. Already it is happening, stones are being taken away, idols are… Government has submitted in the High Court that 1,200 deities have been stolen, officially. This is an official statement by the government to the High Court of Madras that 1,200 deities have been stolen, they're gone missing. And so many people are saying, some police officers have written books saying that thousands of deities have been stolen but replaced by fake deities in the last 25 years. We don't know about that, which is fake, which is real, but we know there is a dilapidation happening all over the place. And I must tell you this, we have 44,000 temples in the government's hands. And we have over 500,000 acres of land in these temples. And we have 2.33 crore square feet of built area. With this, we are getting a revenue of 128 crores. How's that? For example, the SGPC, the Gurudwara Committee, has 85 Gurudwaras in their hand. Their budget is over 1,000 crores. For 44,000 temples, with 87% of the population which belongs to the community, you get 128 crore revenue? Is that it? I mean, this is great management.